one final touch for Mr. Burgmaster. This spring, which I have it all clamped down, as you can see, as mentioned in the other video about springs, what I did do is, because it came out of its socket inside on the shaft, I don't know if you can see that. Probably hard to see. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, light. Hard to see it. But to take the shaft out, held in with a snap ring. One of these. Use a hammer. About 3 pound hammer and brass to knock the shaft out of the bearing. Got it all the way out. Manipulated the spring around the shaft again, put the shaft back in, and it's sort of just locked in place here. So that's the Burgmaster story, and now it's just ready to be assembled, which would probably take, I don't know, an hour only. This last little touches I'm doing, that's Mr. Burgmaster.